നമസ്കാരം, എല്ലാവർക്കും PSC ഈസി സക്സസ്സിലേക്ക് സ്വാഗതം. ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ പേപ്പർ കോഡ് 008/2022 ആൽഫ കോഡ് എ. കേരള വാട്ടർ അതോറിറ്റി ഓപ്പറേറ്റർ എക്സാമിനേഷൻ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ പേപ്പറാണ്. ഇതിൻ്റെ പ്രൊവിഷണൽ ആൻസർ കീ പ്രകാരമുള്ള ആൻസേഴ്സാണ് പറയുന്നത്. ഫസ്റ്റ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ, ദ യൂണിറ്റ് ഓഫ് സോളിഡ് ആംഗിൾ ഈസ് സ്റ്റെറേഡിയൻ. STERADIAN, steradian. Second one, what is the temperature coefficient value of aluminum at 20 degrees Celsius? 40.3 into 10 raised to minus 4. Third one, melting point of copper is 1083 degree Celsius. Fourth one, 1 ampere hour is equal to 3600 coulombs. Fifth one, the shape of warning sign is triangular. Sixth one, unit of mmf, ampere turns. Seventh one, what is the permeability of bismuth? 0.99988. Eighth one, the lifting power of magnet is B square A by 2 mu 0. B square A by 2 mu 0. Ninth one, which type of capacitors are used in RF coupling circuits? Monolithic. 10th one, the voltage of simple voltaic cell is 1.08 volt. 11, the speed of electricity is 2,97,842 km per second. 297,842 km per second. 12th one, what is the resistance of the inductive coil? Takes 5 ampere current across 240 volt 50 hertz supply at 0.8 pf. 42.5 watt. 42.5 watt. 13, in a phase system, if the active power is 4 kilowatt and the apparent power is 5 kVA, calculate the reactive power. Option C, 3 kVAR. 3 kVAR. 14th one, what is the dielectric strength of in ഇത് പോസ് ചെയ്തിട്ടൊന്ന് നോക്കുക, ഞാൻ ചിലപ്പം വായിക്കുന്നതിൻ്റെ ഇതിൽ മിസ്റ്റേക്ക് വരും. ഓഫ് ആസ്ബെസ്റ്റോസ് അറ്റ് 20 ഡിഗ്രി സെൽഷ്യസ്. 42, ആൻസർ 42, ഓപ്ഷൻ ബി 42 ആണ്. 15, 2 watt meter method is used to measure the power in dash load, balanced and unbalanced load. Option D, balanced and unbalanced load. 16, to magnetize a steel is difficult because of its low permeability. Option D, low permeability. 17th one, what is the effect of if one cell is connected with reverse polarity in a parallel combination circuit? Will get short circuited. Option C, will get short circuited. 18th one, the depolarizer is used in dry cell is MnO3. Option B, MnO3. 19th one, two batteries each of open circuit voltage 2 volt and internal resistance of 2 ohm are connected in parallel to supply a load of 2 ohm. The current supplied by the battery is 0.33 ampere. Option A, 0.33 ampere. 20, a 24 ohm and 8 ohm resistors are in parallel, have a combined resistance of 6 ohm. Option D, 6 ohm. 21, the control force employed in an indicating instrument which can be kept in any position is spring control. Option D, spring control. 22, if the meter constant mentioned in the meter is 1500 revolutions per kilowatt hour in one revolution, the energy consumption is 40 watt minutes. Option A, 40 watt minutes. 23, Maxwell-Wien bridge is used for measuring inductance. Option C, inductance. 24, the line voltage of a delta connected three-phase circuit is 415 volt. The phase voltage is 415 volt. Option D, 415 volt. 25, in a three-phase star connected resistive load, the resistance of each phase is 50 ohm. If one of the resistance is removed and 200 volt supply is given, the absorbed power will be 400 watt. Option B, 400 watt. 26, in Fleming's left-hand rule, forefinger indicates direction of a field. Option C, direction of a field. 27. A current transformer step up voltage. Option A step. Option A voltage. 28. Hunting occurs in synchronous motor. Option C synchronous motor. 29. The system earthing is done at generating station. Option C generating station. 30. An example of cold cathode lamp is neon lamp. Option A neon lamp. 31. Decimal equivalent of hexadecimal number D is 13. Option B 13. 32. Terminals of a IGBT are option B emitter collector gate. Emitter collector gate. Option B. 33. The capacity of transformers are rated by its apparent power. Option C apparent power. 34. Which circuit quick response type diodes fuses are used? Heating circuits. Option B heating circuits. 35. How many number of brushes are used in wave wound DC shunt generator? 2. Option B 2. 36. A JFET is a dash driven device. Voltage. Option A voltage. 37. The radix of decimal number system is 10. Option C 10. 38. As per BIS, the shunt field winding terminal of a DC machine is marked E1 and E2. Option B E1 and E2. 39. The V curve of a synchronous motor is the relation between armature current and rotor field current. Option D armature current and rotor field current. 40. Which transformer does not step up or step down the voltage? Isolation transformer. Option B isolation transformer. 41. Binary value of 0101 is equivalent to decimal number 5. Option A 5. 42. An SCR has dash semiconductor layers. 4. Option C 4. 43. Ripple frequency of full wave bridge rectifier is 2f input. Option B 2f input. 44. Which method of speed control is used to obtain above normal speed in DC series motor? Field diverter method. Option C field diverter method. 45. Which one is a universal gate? NOR. Option B NOR. 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 46. A UGT contains dash PN junctions. 1. Option A 1. 47. The insulation resistance of a DC motor is measured in mega ohms. Option C mega ohms. 48. Which test is used to check whether the switches are connected in live wire or not? Polarity test. Option D polarity test. 49. Which electrical accessories is used for taking supply from a lamp holder? Adapter. Option C adapter. 50. An example of inverter gate is NOT. NOT. Option C NOT. 51. What is the purpose of soldering on sheet metal joint? To avoid leak. Option C to avoid leak. 52. Which part in the internal gear pump act as seal? Crescent shaped spacer. Option D crescent shaped spacer. 53. Which rivet used in heavy structural work? Panhead rivet. Option A panhead rivet. 54. Which washers are commonly used for structural fabrication work? Punched washers. Option B punched washers. 55. Which metal is very soft and heavy in sheet metal work? Lead. Option A lead. 56. Which hammer is suitable for riveting? Ball peen hammer. Option B ball peen hammer. 57. Which key is used for easy fixing and removing? Gib head key. Option B gib head key. 58. Which type of nut required aligning the axle shaft hole and slot of the nut for locking? Castle nut. Option A castle nut. 59. Which energy is converted in hydraulic pump? Mechanical energy to hydraulic energy. Option D mechanical energy to hydraulic energy. 60. Which type of filter helps to protect the pump from fluid contaminations? Suction filter. Option A suction filter. 61. Which of the following is an insulator? PVC. Option D PVC. 62. Which is a good conductor? Silver. Option A silver. 63. Which law states that the current is directly proportional to the voltage and inversely proportional to the resistance? Ohm's law. Option A Ohm's law. 64. What is the material of a negative plate in the lead acid battery? Spongy lead. Option C spongy lead. 65. Which instrument is prohibited to connect with live wire? Ohm meter. Option C ohm meter. 66. Which measuring instrument is used to measure the ampere, volt and resistance? Multimeter. Option D, multimeter. 67. What is the unit of potential difference? Volt. Option D, volt. 68. What is the advantage of free maintenance sealed battery? No need for check and top up distilled water. Option A, no need for check and top up distilled water. 69. Which is the temperature sensitive resistor? Thermistor. Option C, thermistor. 70. In which circuit the ballast resistor is used? Flasher circuit. Option C, flasher circuit. 71. Which of the following is true about the thermodynamic cycle of a diesel engine? Constant pressure cycle. Option B, constant pressure cycle. 72. What is the range of compression pressure of a typical petrol engine? 90 to 150 psi. Option A, 90 to 150 psi. 73. Which of the following is false about engine cooling system? Engine overheats if the thermostat valve is stuck open. Option D, engine overheats if the thermostat valve is stuck open. 74. In which of the following types of oil pumps does not use eccentric shaft or cams? External gear type pump. Option A, external gear type pump. 75. Which of the following statements is false about lubrication system? All the oil reaching main oil gallery is filtered in bypass oil filter system. Option B, all the oil reaching main oil gallery is filtered in bypass oil filter system. 76. Which of the following is false about fuel system? An engine can be started without the signal from crank position sensor CKP input. An engine can be started without the signal from crank position sensor CKP input. Option C. 77. Which of the following type of pump needs more frequent overhaul frequency than others under similar operating conditions? Submersible pump. Option A, submersible pump. 78. Which of the following is true about the submersible pumps? Single stage pumps are preferred over multi-stage pumps in water wells and oil wells. Option A, single stage pumps are preferred over multi-stage pumps in water wells and oil wells. 79. Which of the following is false about jet pumps? The motor and pump cannot be offset from the well. Option B, the motor and pump cannot be offset from the well. 80. Which of the following is wrong? Faulty pressure switch will result in pump not starting up. Option D, faulty pressure switch will result in pump not starting up. 81. Crowning of pulleys are done for lesser chance of belt running off. Option B, lesser chance of belt running off. 82. Which of the following is not true about induction motors? Low rotor resistance means high starting torque. Option C, low rotor resistance means high starting torque. 83. Which type of valve is used for very fine control of fluid flow? Needle valve. Option D, needle valve. 84. Which of the following starters are used for starting a squirrel cage motor? Option D, all of these നുള്ളതാണ്. അതായത് സ്റ്റാർ ഡെൽറ്റ സ്റ്റാർട്ടർ, ഓട്ടോ ട്രാൻസ്ഫോമർ സ്റ്റാർട്ടർ, സ്റ്റെപ്പ് ഡൗൺ ട്രാൻസ്ഫോർമർ. ഇതെല്ലാം ഓപ്ഷൻ ഡി ആണ് ആൻസർ, all of these. 85. Which of the following is false about DOL starters? Can be used without backup fuses. Option C, can be used without backup fuses. ഇതാണ് false ആയിട്ടുള്ള statement. 86. Which of the following are the features of ELCB, MCB circuit breaker? Option D, all of these നുള്ളതാണ്. അതായത് ഓവർ കറണ്ട്, ഷോർട്ട് സർക്യൂട്ട്, എർത്ത് ലീക്കേജ്, ഇതെല്ലാമാണ് ഓപ്ഷൻ ഡി, all of this ആണ് ആൻസർ. 87. What is the cutoff factor of a fuse? Time taken by a fuse to interrupt the circuit in the event of a fault. Option D, time taken by a fuse to interrupt the circuit in the event of a fault. 88. To what limit of current beyond which rewirable fuses are not usually preferred? 200 ampere. Option A, 200 ampere. 89. Which of the following relay is designed to operate when current falls below a predetermined value? Undercurrent relay. Option C, undercurrent relay. 90. Which of the following is not a reason of motor running hot? Blown fuse. Option D, blown fuse. 91. Inside which of the following hydraulic pumps a crescent shaped spacing can be found? Internal gear pump. Option B, internal gear pump. 92. Which of the following is true about temperature sensors? Its electrical resistance increases with increase in temperature. Option A. Its electrical resistance increases with increase in temperature. 93. Which of the following components serves the purpose of retaining the piston down against the seat in balance condition in a pressure relief valve? Light spring. Option D. Light spring. 94. Which of the following is a dependent factor on fluid flow rate of a variable flow control valve? Option D. All of this എന്നുള്ളതാണ് ആൻസർ. അതായത് പ്രഷർ ഡിഫറൻസ്, ദ സൈസ് ഓഫ് ത്രോട്ടിൽ ഗ്യാപ്പ്, വിസ്കോസിറ്റി ഓഫ് ഓയിൽ, ഇതെല്ലാം ഓൾ ഓഫ് ദിസ്. ഓപ്ഷൻ ഡി ആണ് ആൻസർ. 95. Which of the following is not true about pneumatic systems? The expansion of PRV is pressure return value. Option B. ഇതാണ് ട്രൂ അല്ലാത്തത്. 96. Which of the following is false about orifices? The orifice is always connected in parallel with the pump. Option B. 97. Which of the following is not associated with hydraulic actuator speed control? Bleed out speed control. Option D. Bleed out speed control. 98. Which one of the following terms is associated with positive displacement pumps? Screw rotors. Option D. Screw rotors. 99. Which of the following is not related with pipe joints? Flanked bush. Option D. Flanked bush. 100. Which of the following is not true about pumps? Self-priming devices are connected between discharge pipe and pump. Option D. Self-priming devices are connected between discharge pipe and pump. അപ്പോൾ ഇത്രയുമാണ് ഈ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ പേപ്പറിൻ്റെ പ്രൊവിഷണൽ ആൻസർ കീ പ്രകാരമുള്ള ആൻസേഴ്സ്. അപ്പോൾ ഇതിൽ എന്തെങ്കിലും കറക്ഷൻ ഉണ്ടോ എന്നുള്ള ഫൈനൽ ആൻസർ കീ വരുമ്പോഴേ അറിയാൻ സാധിക്കുകയുള്ളൂ. അപ്പോൾ എല്ലാവർക്കും ക്ലാസ് ഇഷ്ടപ്പെട്ടിട്ടുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ മറക്കാതെ തന്നെ ചാനൽ സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യുക. അതോടൊപ്പം തൊട്ടടുത്തുള്ള ബെൽ ബട്ടൺ പ്രസ് ചെയ്ത് ഓൾ എന്ന ഓപ്ഷൻ കൂടി എനേബിൾ ചെയ്യുക. അടുത്ത ക്ലാസ്സിൽ വീണ്ടും കാണാം. താങ്ക് യു.